don't wanna let her go. Bebo, 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 bebo. Maybe my love will come back someday. Only heaven knows. Bebo, bebo. Sigaw mo. Sir John. Hi, Sir John. Hi, my beautiful brunette. Good evening. Wow. Hi po, Sir John. Hi, Pedro Oliveira. How are you, Sir John? Hi, Korean Dominic. Hi, Korean Dominic. Thank you for the likes for the Jose. Be nice. Good morning, you. I'm from Philippines. Did you see WhatsApp message? Are you message? Okay, I will see Sir John. When you message Sir John? When? I will see po. I charge my other phone. Hello from Arizona. How are you doing? It must be awesome over there. Just be safe. Oh, thank you, Sir Henry. This morning. This morning. Oh my God, sorry. I'm just busy because we're going to Jollibee. Sorry, Sir John. I will look po. Sorry, you're still acting like you got stumble stomach. It's all drama. Pikachu, really? Pikachu? How you know me more? You know me? Do you know me, Pikachu? Stumble my stomach. Charlie, hi Charlie from Mexico. Ares, hi Ares, Raquel Costa from Brazil and via Corinthians. Hi po, Brett. When you coming to see me, huh? Where are you from, Brett? Oh my, how wonderful are you, Pedro? Hi, Pedro. That's okay po, no worry. Okay. Thank you, Sir John. I was crippled. Go. Why? Why you crippled? What happened? Tell me please. Hi Frankie Muzafer. Lights, camera, Pikachu. Abrao Costa, hi. Wow, I'm just in love looking at you, beautiful. Hi Pedro. Hi, good morning. Southeast USA. Oh, from Southeast USA, Sir Brett. Nice to meet you, Sir Brett. Do you have any OnlyFans account, beautiful or no? What do you mean? Little ano talaga. No, no, no. Oh my God. I don't like that. Epel. Hi, Paul. Thank you sa nag-likes. Baby ma. Thank you, 22 million. This is guava. Guava po, guava. Sir John. Hi, Golden Blade. Thank you, Sir Golden Blade, for joining. Sir John, this is guapa, big guava. Hello, good morning, beautiful. From Spain. Hi, from Spain. Deli bar. Brick. Brickek. Brickek. Sir Ranel. Hi, Sir Ranel. Oh my God. Thank you for joining po, Sir Ranel. How are you po? Thank you. Good afternoon na here. Afternoon already here. I'm fine, Jose. Better now. Thank you. Yes. Welcome po. Stay healthy, Sir Ronel, and God bless you always. Stay safe, something like that. Stay safe, stay healthy. Dance? Why? Hi Alexis, hello. You are beautiful. I'm from Brazil. You are beautiful. I'm from Philippines. Nice to meet you. Then home. Hi, road me resign. Road me resign. Ajit. Hi, Ajit. I'm fine. Good morning from Serbia. Afternoon here already. Not yet married, but I'm getting married soon. Um, this is not mango, Sir Ranel. This is guava. Guava po. Nature's true life. I'm fine po. How about you? How are you? Oh my God. Oh my God. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Sir Rob. Thank you for watching 38 people. Jollibee! Jollibee, hi. Today is Jollibee. Just home. And Jollibee. Nice to meet you, Jollibee. Yes po. Children playing in the outside po, Sir Ranel. I'm staying out somewhere tonight, okay? Be careful! Stay safe. My age 34, I'm married, and your? My age is 41 years old. Getting married soon. Aray ko. Not my normal place, huh? Not normal place. Are you living at the not safe place? Oh my God. Oh my God, Sir Jan. Not my home. Huh? You're not at your home? People. Thank you, Rob. Thank you, Rob. What's the ano to, Cheryl? Chicken Joy? Chicken Joy, spaghetti, rice, cock flute, french fries, burger. Thank you, Sir Rob. Yeah, because of others coming up. Ah, okay. So I'm out tonight. And maybe another night. Oh my goodness. Are you hiding? For someone? You hiding from someone? Stumble and fall. No, because I'm being kind to family. Okay. Hello, greetings from Mexico. Hi, Matias Fernan from Mexico. Oh, Mexico time. 41. 12:41 in the morning. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Sir Rob. Thank you so much. Nice to see you. Nice to meet you here, Sir Matias. It's so loud there. I wouldn't be able to handle it, Cheryl. Okay. Yes. My God, Gabriel. Maribuko na, nagdagdag ka pa. Too loud here. My like and heart. Thank you. Thank you for the likes. Game over. Ranel, thank you. Hello. Thank you so much, Sir Ranel. Thank you po, always. Thank you, Sir Ranel. Thank you so much. Where's your jowa? Not here, but coming soon. Sir Philip. Hi, Sir Philip Morgan. Hello, hi, Efren Hernandez. Is he your famia? Who? What? Nature's true life? What do you mean? Do you have food budget? Yes, I have. Why? You want to give me? Just give me. Send me on my PayPal. Your jowa. PayPal, yes. My PayPal is on my bio. It's on my bio, my PayPal. Sir Philip. I don't know how to, how much is a bag of rice? The bag of rice is, so one bag, it depends. Some are 25 kilos, 50 kilos, something like that. Thank you, Sir Anel. Do you have a boyfriend? Yeah? But her Joe won't share here, guys. So behave. Oh my God. Oh my God. Ouch. Or will he? What? What? Alright. Oh, don't hurt yourself lang. I felt my hand. I don't know. Something inside. What's happened to your hand, Pinay? I don't know, just something hurt. But it's fine. It will be fine, sir. Now. It will be fine, guys. Thank you. It's so sweet. Pinay. Thank you po. Sir John! My God! Thank you, Sir John! My gulay! Thank you po! Thank you, Sir John! Hit the like and hit the like. Fix your hand po. Thank you, Sir John. Fix your hand. I don't know, maybe something. Hit the like and sub. You enjoy her content, guys. Salamat. Thank you, Nate's True Life. Thank you. Will you marry me? Why should I marry you? Dark Mask. Hello, hi. Jaro Velaba. Thank you, Sir John. My hand, it will be okay. Maybe something ano lang. There got to be a reason for marriage, guys. Lul. Lul. You got to show here a big color. You're welcome po. Thank you, Sir John. Nate's Life. Maybe sign of aging, Sir John. Sign of aging. Getting old. I know all about that. Oh my God. Maybe that's something. Lock my veins because I'm getting old, Sir John. A very good color. Thank you, Sir Nell. My veins because I'm getting older. Harry Haven. Hi. Harry. You need X-ray. X-ray. X-ray for my hand. Old hand but nice kind heart. Yes. It's okay, Sheryl. Thank you po. Maybe because of when I'm young, we're always going to at the mountain, working hard when we're young for planting for foods, working for food, something like that. The mountain is very long walk, very far here and long walk going there. You're not old, just old-fashioned. Yeah. Like, You are young and beautiful, Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Ranel. I'm still a little girl of my father. I'm still young to my father. Hi, Pablo. Hello, you are beautiful kisses. Hi, Rosario. My veins. Look at my veins. Because sometimes when tired, it's getting big. This Saroj. Kadeshe Longkai. Kadeshe Longkai. Lovely veins. Lovely veins. Lovely veins. Oh my god. Sir John. Like this. Sometimes when tiring, it's getting big, but the veins is relaxed. But look, it's getting bigger na. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. Looks. Oh my. Same here. The veins. Scary. Sometimes look is scary. My god. I'm a vein man. Oh my god. Vein man. Let's have a good time. Right, hello on the live chat. Hi. You have mystic smile and strong heart. Thank you, Sir Ranel. Thank you po. Do you know why the big love? Why? Why po? How to say, what do you mean? How to say what? Kita gumugula sa ating isip. Okay, you ready to know? Ready to know? What what I ready to know? Okay, you're ready to know. Paramotor. Why your veins are big? Yeah, I don't know. After work, we wash, and then the hands is still tiring. That's why we call his here. It's a pasma, but I don't know how call it in English. Because after working hard like the mountain, we wash, even it's tiring. So that's why it's the beans not yet feel relaxed, so it affects, yes, the veins. That's why I have so many veins here. Unlike other women, the woman is their hands is beautiful, but me a lots of veins. it's very different. Have you heard a pine called turmeric? Yeah, turmeric. I heard about that, Serenel. Hi, Sohet, Chain Christophe from France. Because your veins are full of love and you have a beautiful soul. Really? Wow. Really? That is true? Hello. Hi, Jairo Velava. Velava. Jairo Velava. Sapat na sa akin. I take that. The turmeric. If you take turmeric, it will help with inflation. Okay, I will, I will, Serenel. I will find turmeric here, but I think having a turmeric here, it's a powder and it, and ano, like tea, and I drink like a tea. Herbal, we call it herbal medicine. Hi, Biglon. Thank you, Biglon. Hello, Guapa Cheryl. Hi. Mitha. Hi, Mitha. Yes, herbal medicine. Snort here. Snort. Thank you so much. Dumb girl. Dumb girl. Thank you, Big Lon. Hi, everyone. How is my what's up? Ay, my people. Elton. Why? Why are you crying, Big Lon? Why sad? Hey, Wild Thing. Now are you today? Hi, Sir Jamie. How are you, Sir Jamie? What happened, Biglan? Thank you, Biglan. Maybe how are you today? Now are you? Can't complain. Can't complain. It's good. Thank you, Sir Jamie. It's hard to win the sun when you said that you would never leave me. Hi from New Zealand. Hi, Bros Coleman from New Zealand. Thank you for joining. From New Zealand. No, sounds like basketball game outside. Yes, Sir Jamie. Look, Sir Jamie. Basketball outside. Oh my God! When you go outside, basketball and a lots of clothes, hanging clothes. My gulay. Sapat na sa work and play in the same location. Yes. Yes po, Sir Jamie. Work and play. My God. I'm going to dinner po. Have a wonderful night, Cheryl. Oh my God. Thank you, Sir John. Enjoy your meal. Cheryl, go to sleep. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, thank you so much. Oh my God. Different. Oh, I wonder. I'd wear different times pala. Yes, you're very helpful. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Nets. Thank you, Sir John. You are such a kind soul, Cheryl. Bless your heart and life. Thank you, Sir Ronel. Thank God bless po. Take care. Thank you so much. Tell peace. How are the rice fields? Have you been back? Yes. I'll be back. We're not busy. I'm too busy here. We need to remove the grass from the no from the rice. Well, and then after we're waiting for harvest, rice harvest. And I know how to rice harvest po, Sir Jamie. Yes po. Too busy here, busy at that's why I can visit. We had fight. I miss my jowa. We had fight. Oh my God, no need to fight. February is Heart's Day. Love's man. You need to salute your jowa. Nate's true life. So, Saul Vera. You are very beautiful, my pretty girl. Kisses and hugs for you, my beautiful princess from Venezuela. Hi, from Venezuela. Nice to meet you here. It's because don't give her time anymore, though that's why. Maybe your jowa, she's so busy, something like that. I need a good communication and trust each other and loyal. Yes, that's why quality time is important for a couple. Most if it's LDR. LDR. Are you LDR? Nate's true life. LDR is very difficult relationship. Yeah, hard, very hard. It's really difficult to handle. Yes, Cheryl. Oh my God. How old your jowa? A lot of the time, yes. Not too much time, but need a good communication. If she's busy, you need to understand. Just updating is very important. If you are busy, she needs to understand. So she's like 32. Oh, good age. She's already matured. If she's 32 years old, she wanted calls. Yes, me too. I want calls. But sometimes no need to call, just message is enough. But I have family. You have a family already? I have to focus on, oh my God, she's no? Mistress? What do you mean your family? You have living with your parents, something like that. Not, not a family, what I think. You have you are with your family. No, she's my only woman. Oh, that's right. I understand. I think she's also helping my niece, etc. You have problem about that. It's better to good communication. Communication is the important in a relationship, even if it's not a long distance relationship. Need good communication, no? Open. We need to open each other. If you have a problem about that, you need to say to her. No need to to hide. If she complain, if she complain about your situation, she needs to understand that that supporting your needs, helping your needs is important for you. Need communicate each other way too much. I remember before I helping my nephew to finish the college, and my brother, my youngest brother, I helping their college. They both same same college too. I'm supporting for their allowance, for their tuition. I'm working in Manila. It's too hot for Cheryl. I couldn't imagine Ronel. Huh? Cheryl, why are you inside on a sunny day? Yeah, hot weather is here, Sir Ronel. It's too hot for Cheryl, yeah. You should be walking through nature. But I want walking, but need to uh, yes, I want Sarah now, but I'm with my parents. I'm living with my parents. So, hi Felden mate. Hi Felden mate. You know how it is done. Thank you po. So, I might surprise you if you are later tonight. You surprise me? What surprise? I do like tonight here. You surprise with Jowa, maybe you have a wedding, proposal with your sharing with family is got its challenges, but it grows us, Cheryl. Yes, helping our family, it helps us to grow. So no worries. Maybe your Jowa will understand or realize soon. Greetings from Mexico. You are a responsible family oriented, something like that. Because I remember when my son's father, he complained about me because I'm always helping my brothers for his college and my nephew supporting for their expenses while they are studying college. But I can't resist to help because I want them to finish this or finish their study in college. That's why whatever happens, it will happen because now I regret because I see now, oh my god, they have a college degree that I'm not. So I'm proud of it. I'm proud of my brothers and my nephew. They are finishing college, even if it's need to push for the better future for our families, for the loved ones, because if the if someone they love us, they will understand about that, because it's part of our family, not just part, but the biggest part in our family. Oh my god, it's a low bat. Can't work because it's low bat. Sa ating panaginip, hindi ka nawawagalit ang saya. Gladys Reyes is like you. Really? I thought it was Gladys Reyes. Well, really? I look like Gladys Reyes. Gladys Reyes is a contrabeda. Vets Farm. Hi, Vets Farm. Where are you from, Vets Farm? You know, my love, I adore you so much, my beautiful face. Something kisses and hugs from Venezuela to you, my baby. Thank you, Salvera. Greetings from Mexico. Hi, Anastasia.
Yeah, do not.
Will look like contrabida.
Tita, tita,
Yes?
di ba ako yung ataga ni Kuya Kitsunori?
Bakit? Dapat bawal mag...
Hagas.
Oh, sabihin mo, pahingi man ako.
Ubus na.
Ay, naku! Paano ako kakain? Ubus na. My God.
Tita.
Eh, anong gagawin ko? Say hi, Sir Ramel. Hi! Thank you po. Francisco, hello. Thank you, Sir Ramel. Hi po. Hi!
Uy, makadun
my
ako sa
beautiful
barkada ko.
Aba, may barkada na. Nagruluwas na ang ano mo. Lubot mo. Hi, Tomek. Jose, hi.
Okay pa din.
Ba, padi.
Ano?
Is that little girl? No, she's not my girl. My daughter, Serena. She's my niece, my brother's daughter. I have only one kid. It's my son. My kid is a boy. Only one kid. aking panaginip. Oh, yes po, Sir Ronel. Oh, sa aking panaginip. Hi, Brett. When can I come this Brett? Brett. Where are you from again, Sir Brett? Sorry, I'm always forgot. USA? Sa aking panaginip. USA, USA. I need to end the live. Thank you so much for joining. Love you all. Bye bye.